Today, I will be building a stream box. IRL streaming box, alright? You guys heard me, okay? I am building a streamer box. I know, IRL streaming is a expensive start to, grant yourself, what do you call this? A experience. It's a experience building the box of what I'm gonna do, alright? So, I've done like countless hours of research, maybe even days of research, right even before I started streaming on Twitch. I just wanted, to experience IRL streaming. Okay, it does not seem like much now, but in like an hour or two, I maybe get it up to building, and then maybe I could boot it up. I don't know. We could be building it. We could be booting it up. We can be setting the software. I could electrocute myself. I don't know. It may be either one of those. Alright. So this bad boy, this eMMC module is like $30 for this thing. You see it? This thing is $30. $30. Like what the fuck, man? It's a 34 gig eMMC module. I should wear gloves for this. It feels very premium. Anyways, that's like one part of a build we're gonna do. Honestly, I don't really understand what an eMMC module does, but all I know is something like a storage, and PC terms is like RAM. Anyways, back to building. So in like videos, I was seeing like this motherboard must be like this big, like maybe like 1.5 palm sizes. But no, it's literally a palm size. I didn't know it was this small. Like, what the? Look at this. And then, alright, so we have the parts. We have the motherboard. We have the eMMC module. We have the HDMI cable. HDMI TV 2. HD TV 2.0. What the fuck is this naming? Anyways, it says it's 4K resolution. I don't think it is, but I'll chuck that aside. Next is a knockoff China brand of SanDisk. What? Okay, but okay, instead of SanDisk, we got micro SDHC. I don't think this is what it's called in English or the layman terms. I have a knife. Stay away. Anyways, alright, let me just be careful and not poke myself or the motherboard. Alright, we got the motherboard. Why is this kind of worn out? What the hell? Wait, can you see it? It's kind of worn out. Yo, what did they do to this? It's like scratch marks on this. What the hell? Yo, what? Oh, this is bad. Alright, so we have 2 USB ports. And then if you want more USB ports, you can have 2 more USB ports, 3 HDMI, 2 Ethernet for probably bonding, and 1 USB-C. This is probably to power the entire setup, so that's good. But first, let's continue with the video. Awesome.
Let's say you have his dad.
Yep, let's just skip all these. Yep.
But so that's pretty much it. This is what it looks like. Super solid.
It's very solid.
Feels really good in your hands, right?
Yeah, it feels actually really good. It does not feel flimsy at all.
We're going to go to the next part and we're going to unbox it as well.
All right.
So the next unboxing before we get to the case is gonna be this one right here.
Yep, I already unboxed that.
eMMC.
I already unboxed that. You see, it's the same thing we have. We have the same thing.
To an SD card, install into the board, and then the board will kind of transfer it to the eMMC module So when the Orange Pi 5 Plus actually boots up, it's gonna be running the operating system off of the eMMC module. Okay, the one
Alright,
I have is
I have to stop
64
it. I'm
gig,
being
and
stupid.
that's what I've been using it in my previous build,
Yep,
and it
same.
seems to be working well, no
Same.
problem. Okay,
I've been
so
using
let's go ahead and
using it on
open
my previous
show
build, which
you
is my
what it looks
imagination.
like.
It's
Again,
been going
gonna
well
look
so
like
far.
an
Alright,
open this
wait,
thing.
he rips it out. Okay, I'm not gonna do that because I'm a human
There we
being.
go. So this
Okay,
is
never
what
mind. I have to
looks
rip it
like.
out.
Again,
Fuck.
this is made by
Fuck.
Orange Pi as well.
Alright,
There's
let me
like
just.
two pins, kind of, parts here.
And then we gotta
And
open
that's what
this.
we're gonna super straightforward. It's just
Yep,
like
super straightforward. I'm struggling to take this out from the back.
So next
Oh,
up,
got it.
we're gonna
Got it.
open up our case. So we have the Orange Pi
Look at that.
case
Look at that.
here.
Look at that
Again,
chip.
everything here is
Look
like
at
kinda
that.
separate when you purchase. So I'm gonna leave links down below
Alright.
for you guys. And
It's
the
like Lego.
previous case
Guys,
that
it's
I
like Lego.
had,
Trust. It's like
was
it's like
actually-
Lego.
it came
Oh
with
shit, I
this
should
power
build my
cable.
case first. Hold on.
Okay, which is
Oh
really cool.
fuck.
Now,
Luckily I put this on bubble
since-
wrap.
because this board uses
I'm gonna pause this. Well, I gotta put this aside because I have to build the case. I gotta use this and like plug this way, like into this part. This part. I gotta do this. I think I did it. Can I get clapping hands in chat? Clapping hands. Alright, nice. Alright, next. Next up, it's installing the heatsink. Okay, heatsink is literally spreading out the heat so your entire build has enough airflow and does not explode in like an oven. Undo the double-sided tape, which I can't do because I just cut my nails. That was a bad idea. Oh my god. This sucks. Alright, wait. I got it. I got it. I got it. Oh yeah. What if I... Okay, no, I should not lick it. Looks tasty. It's like black. It's like matte black. Glossy black, sorry. Like, it's sticky. I should not touch it. Right at the center. Nope, it's off. It's off. It's off. It's off. It's off. Is it perfect? Looks good to me. Looks good. Alright, next one is this chip right here. We gotta... I mean, we can make do with this. Now, we just have to put these down here. And then, I think I have to screw this below. So we'll do that. Oh well, of course. So now you install this. Alright, next is the fan. Apparently I have to stick 2 pins. Wait, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I can show you guys. I'm gonna try my best. Alright, right here. There is a pin here, a red pin here, and a black pin here. So we're gonna connect these 2 parts. Alright, no, I'm alive. I'm alive. Alright, perfect. Once we have done that, we're gonna put this back in. And voila. Our box is built. But what comes next is annoying. Because we're doing software. Okay, so now it's time for software. And let me tell you, installing this software is harder than Silksong and living on Earth. By the way, it's already simplified for a baby. And I'm not gonna show the whole process, alright? Because it's gonna take like 2 hours and you just look at me staring at the monitor. Anyways, let's go test it outside. Hey, am I live? Looks like I am. Well, I'm outside, as you can see. It's not a green screen, okay? It's not a green screen. I'm outside with top of my suit. And today is gonna be a short stream, but it's gonna be an interesting one. Wanna know why? Because I'll be cycling. And of course, I'm cycling. And I have to bring someone with me, you know. I have to kidnap one of my friends. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. I've kidnapped one of my. See, that was one of my friends. He's a little bit mental, but not as mental as me. All right. It's not a little bit as mental. He's just a little bit mental. Okay, a little bit. I'm sorry about my hair. My hair is fucked because I put a helmet. I put a helmet up. There it goes. It just became even more fucked. Anyways, I hope the ND filter works because it's like fucking bright outside. So I guess we shall actually start. You know, I'm gonna try this. This looks fun. Let's try this. Okay, this is not safe. I don't think this is safe. This should not be safe, right? Right, chat? Alright, follow the instructions. The instructions say you gotta pull like this and like this. Okay, I got this. Like this. Oh, I'm falling. Whoa, Jesus Christ. Holy shit. Wait. Yeah, I got it. Alright. Imagine you're in AOT. Sorry, whoever steals our bike, right? I'll jump, bash the window, which the window shatters. And, oh fuck, wait, I almost pushed the pool door. God damn it. Whew. Subway. Awesome. Now I'm gonna order first. Let's see what's up at Sub. Hi. Can I get the spicy beef taco? Shallot bread. Sorry? Foot long. I'm gonna get foot long because I'm hungry. Sir, my drink, sir. Can you believe this guy?
Refill again,
You cannot refill, you can refill once. It's like store policy.
Who's watching you?
The staff. Like 1, 2, 3 CCTVs and people watching you. Of course they're gonna see. You see. So stop drinking. I paid $15 for this, sir. Okay, now I don't owe you $3.
Huh?
Now I don't owe you $3. You stole like half of my drink. Half of my drink is gone.
Okay.
Can you believe this guy? Oh, my camera's low battery. It's okay, I got backup batteries. But I think after we eat, I'm gonna end stream. It's a mukbang. Is that what they call it? Mukbang. Oh. Should I wash mine?
What's there?
Oh no, I got spicy beef taco. Not sure. I'm gonna try it. I'm not. Stop! I paid $15. I paid $15.
$15 nothing.
I'm making no money from this. Today, this concludes today's stream. Okay, I know it's a short one. It's like 2 hours. 2 hours stream. But it's okay. It's okay. We're doing 2 hours. It's good enough. And I think this is the end of the stream. Okay, now I'm back inside my house in my void cave, whatever. I thank you for watching this video. Honestly, this is an experience building this IRL stream back. Anyways, all the links is in the description below. Make sure to go check it out. And that's all. Have a nice day.